Here's a trick that will cut 5 years out of your digital marketing learning curve if you're over 40. So here's what happened. I met this guy, Michael, at a networking event. He's 47, super successful in sales his whole career. But he pulls me aside and says, "Peter, I feel like I'm becoming invisible at work. All the marketing conversations go right over my head. Sound familiar?" Here's the thing. Michael tried everything. YouTube tutorials that made no sense. Online courses built for 22-year-olds. Even asked his daughter for help, which was awkward. But here's what changed everything for him. Most people think learning digital marketing after 40 is about catching up. It's not. It's about leveraging what you already know. See, when you're 25, you know tools, but you don't know people. When you're 47, you understand human psychology. You've closed deals, you've built relationships, you know what makes people tick. That's pure gold in marketing. So instead of trying to learn like a college kid, Michael started learning like the experienced professional he is. We connected every digital concept to his sales background. Email marketing became relationship building, social media became networking, analytics became sales reporting. 3 months later, Michael's running the digital strategy at his company. His boss asked him to train the younger team members. And here's the crazy part. He's making 30% more than before. But that's not even the best part. The best part is watching someone go from feeling left behind to leading the charge, from tech anxiety to tech confidence, from asking for help to being the person everyone asks. Look, the digital world isn't slowing down, but neither should you. The question is, will you be the person who figured this out early or the one still trying to catch up in 2 years? My course, Digital Marketing Breakthrough. 40 Plus shows you exactly how to do it. Link in the description to a free resource you can start today.